So this is really not that big of a deal, in all honesty. And I know there will be some people who are upset about this, but honestly, we're getting to a point now with fast charging, which I love, don't get me wrong. I think fast charging is awesome. But it gets to a point where I'm kind of getting scared for the battery life of some of these phones. And we saw, over the last couple years that older Samsung phones are the batteries actually expanding and destroying the phone. And I don't think that has anything to do really with the charging aspect. I think that's really just setting down a battery and waiting over time, and eventually it's going to break and expand. But I'm getting to a point with some of these companies where when they're like, hey, listen, you can charge your phone 0 to 100% in 20, 30 minutes. I'm like, at some point, these phones are going to end up like the Galaxy Note 7. And while, yes, it's cool and awesome to have battery life that quick, you're getting to a point now where we don't know the longevity of the batteries. And it's not like just, oh, the phone won't work anymore. It's like, oh, yeah, you might have a Galaxy Note 7 on your hands. So I'm actually kind of okay with this. That the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 will have the same 25-watt charging speed. And if you own either of these phones, well, Z Fold 5 versions, or Z Fold 5 or Z Flip 5, they charge pretty damn fast. It's not like they take so long to charge. It's not the fastest, right? You're not going to charge them as fast as you would charge maybe like a S24 Ultra or an iPhone 15 Pro Max, but it's still pretty damn fast. If you're using your Samsung official wireless, or not wireless, but Samsung official supercharger, you're going to be able to go ahead and power these up and probably charge them way less than an hour. So, and in my opinion, I feel like that is perfectly fine and okay. Especially with the fact that we're going to see a bigger battery in both, the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. So you're going to have better battery anyway. And if they can kind of push and keep this longevity of the battery, better and not overdo it by making the charging crazy, then that's probably the best situation possible. As it says right here, it's not a massive surprise, but it's still a bit of a shame. That's especially true with the Z Flip 6, which is rumored to considerably bigger battery. The smaller cell in the prior Flip models meant the 25-watt felt pretty fast, but a new 4,000 milliamp battery would take longer to charge with that speed. And again, like I said, this is why a lot of people are going to be upset about it, because, again, you're having a bigger battery on the flippable cell phone. And also, I feel like if you buy the Flip, you're kind of more like on the go. We go back to the Z Flip 3 days where the battery would last 6 hours, and then you would have to charge it, but then it would be a slow charge. I think we're okay with a, same charging speeds for the new versions. Whether that is, again, the 25, or whether that is going to be the Plus model, the Ultra model, whatever the case. And it says right here, for the past few years, Samsung has limited its book-style Z Fold devices, 25 watts of charging speed, below 45 watts accepted by the S Plus and Ultra series, which is obviously the S23 Ultra and the S24 Plus, and then the S24. And to be honest, again, if we do get an Ultra variant of the Z Fold 6, maybe potentially we do get 45 watt charging speed. I just don't think it's that big of a deal personally. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one. Peace.